Welcome to Python. Python is a high-level programming language with applications in numerous areas, including web programming, scripting, scientific computing, and artificial intelligence. It is very popular and used by organizations such as Google, NASA, the CIA, and Disney. In this course we will be learning Python version 3, which is the most recent major version of Python. Let's start off by creating a short program that displays "Hello World." In Python, we use the print statement to output text. The print statement needs to be followed by parentheses, which enclose the output we want to generate. The print statement can also be used to output multiple lines of text. Each print statement outputs text from a new line. Subscribe us for more learning. And don't forget to like this video.